Welcome to my themed micro museum Speedbuild. The theme that I'm going for this video would be a sunken ship sort of theme. Art. I started with the building layout. Uh, I made it sort of a ship shaped uh, museum and used wooden floors as well as a purple wall because there aren't any wooden walls that I can find. And here I created a staff room right uh, behind the ticket booths, and they went with some gates from the Zoosuum DLC because of the wooden poles. And yeah, I started laying out the exhibits. Here's the Boulder guest room for our pirate captain. There's a living quarters as well as the helm and the table and stuff. And then this is the gift shop. It has a marine theme. Then this is the cafeteria, which I also made decorated into a marine theme. I put them at the end of the museum. Then I'm reorganizing the exhibits. I decided to make the royal coral coronet the centerpiece. It's the main exhibit, and added some red carpet to accentuate that, which also leads to the treasure chest. And then here's some toilet. Yeah, and I also added some windows to make that ship theme work better. And here I'm trying to add some signs for the guests and some decorations for the boat as well as the centerpiece and some decals. And then I decided to add some decorations to make it look like the ship is kind of sinking, I guess. Yeah, so the water thing is meant to make it look like the ship has a leak. And then I also added some barrels and some wooden stuff. And then I also added a kraken to make it more dramatic, I guess. Make it look like the ship was attacked by the kraken. Then added some stuff from the supernatural decorations. Yes, to make it look like some sort of ghost ship, I guess. Then I added some more decorations to make it more ship-like. Now I'm filling in some walls that I missed. And there we have it, a sunken ship museum with the legacy of Captain Dreadge and how he failed to capture the treasure of the Wetlanteans who had the aid of a kraken. And yeah, that's it.